Take a ride in the 2018 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.